Yo. Alright, this is part 4 of the historic snowstorm here in Houston, Texas. It's .53 in the morning. So, it's just been snowing. Also, I believe this storm is called Winter Storm Enzo. Interesting. Do I have a kid named Enzo? Maybe. Anyway, so, I guess it's just gonna keep snowing for a while. I'm about to go to bed, but, you can really see it. You can also see, like, icicles forming on the streetlights. Not a normal... This is abnormal winter weather. It's abnormal weather for Houston, even in the winter, even on cold winters. It does not snow here, especially not like this. Like, this is actual snow on the ground, If I reach out here, I mean, you can see it's that deep on here, and I've already wiped this away several times, right? So, I can actually make snowballs, Let me pat that back in right there. But yeah, it's just like, it's abnormal to see this. One thing that I think probably because of the snow being like ice crystals, it refracts and reflects light differently, but it's just lighter than it normally is. Like, it didn't get super dark while this storm was going on. It stayed considerably lighter than normal, and I don't think it's dawn yet, technically. I mean, it might be just right around dawn, but, it's hard to tell. So what I'm saying is, like, it seems pretty light, but it wasn't super dark. Like, you could compare these videos. I think the video did a decent job of capturing it. But anyway. Yeah, cool. Well, just look at that. Those are not like... Those are not plants that you'd expect to have snow on, So... How interesting. Alright, well, that's part 4. If I do another one, it's gonna be like after I wake up, which is gonna be a while from now. So maybe the snow will have melted. Actually, I think it's supposed to be pretty cold all day. So, the snow will probably still be around. I'll make a video then. But until then, have a blessed one. Catch you next time. Later. Stay warm, because Jesus, it's cold out here. Alright. Anyway. Have a blessed one. Later. Yeah.